There's only 2 days left at a huge sale at Harbor Freight, and we walked through the entire store and found some great deals and 2 deals that are the best in the store. All right, so Harbor Freight's Spring Black Friday sale is going on for 2 more days. That's today, which is Sunday the 13th, and then tomorrow, which is Monday, April 14th. So if you don't get it by then you are out of luck. We went through the entire store. We made a list of all the deals that we thought were really good, and 2 of them are the best deals in the whole store. One is woodworking, and the other one is not as much woodworking. But stay tuned till the end because we got it on good authority. There's a rumor going around about a certain tool in Harbor Freight that nobody knows about yet. I haven't seen anything about it on YouTube. So let's start off with number 1. All right, so the first one on our list is the only one that we don't actually have, which is the 12.5-inch Hercules thickness planer. We have other Hercules tools and we've been really happy with them, especially the next one on our list. I do have the Bauer thickness planer and I've used that quite a bit. I actually let my buddy use it and he basically redid his whole wall with wood that he ran through that thing and he was super happy with it. So I don't have any reason to believe that this Hercules thickness planer would be anything other than a good addition, especially if you're on a budget, to your shop. So regular price is $399.99 and it's on sale again until the end of tomorrow for $349.99. $50 is a pretty good discount, especially if you're on a budget and you're just trying to kind of build up your shop and if you're trying to replace a planer that maybe wasn't quite as good. So again, $50 off on a 12.5-inch thickness planer is a pretty screaming deal. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video because that's where we're gonna go over the 2 best deals in the entire store. All right, so number 2 on our list is the Hercules 12-inch miter saw, and it comes with a Hercules 62-tooth blade. Now, we use this thing almost every day. In our shop, we actually have the flex miter saw, but outside for cutting material and stuff, we use this one. I've cut 4x6 beams with this. I made an entire porch using just this saw for all my cuts. This thing is beefy. It cuts nice and straight. It sounds powerful. Everything feels tight on it. This is a really good saw for the price. So regular price is $349.99, and even that I think is a good deal, but it's $50 off at $299.99. So if you're looking to maybe get a little bit of a better saw, upgrade a bit, this is a killer deal and it's a super beefy saw. And honestly, the blade it comes with, we like that one too. So it's not a super cheap blade that comes with it, which is what you get a lot of times when you buy a miter saw. So number 3 on the list is the Bauer 2300 PSI pressure washer. Now we actually got this like, I think a month and a half, 2 months ago, and we got it specifically to redo the roof on our little rental. This thing is pretty awesome. It's got a ton of power. It comes with several different nozzles and we use it quite a bit. Dad was washing his truck with it like a week ago. So regular price is $249.99. Well, it's $60 off at $189.99. Now a pressure washer isn't something you're gonna use every single day, but when you need it, you're really glad you have it. This is definitely one of the really good sales in the store and I think it's well worth it. We've had no issues with it and we've run it quite a bit. And the best thing is it's electric, so there's no gas in there, there's no engine maintenance or anything. You just plug it in, turn it on, and then when you're ready to pressure wash, you pull the trigger. It really, really does work well. So number 4 on the list is something that a lot of people don't want to have to use, but everybody has to use, and it's a floor jack. So this is the Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile floor jack. Now I've had one of these for about 3 years now. I've lifted my truck with it, lifted my wife's car, which is a little Ford Fiesta. It sits super low to the ground. I don't have to do any adjustments, and it really does work great. In fact, tomorrow I'll probably be lifting a porch with it because I've got some work to do. But normal price on this thing is $159.99 and it's on sale for $89.99, which is $70 off. I've used my dad's jack he's had for years and it's awful. So when I brought this thing over from California, it was kind of a godsend. It's super heavy, but it's got wheels and you can roll it all around your shop without having to lift it up. and it pumps up my truck in about 3 pumps, as opposed to one of those little ones that you have to carry around and you got to pump it 400 times to lift it up. This is a killer jack, and for 90 bucks, you cannot beat that price. So even if you don't want to have to use one, eventually you probably will. This is a good one to use. Number 5 on the list is something every redneck / hillbilly has to have: ratchet straps. So Dad has probably 6 or 8 ratchet straps in his truck. I have 4 to 6 in my truck, plus we have a shop full of them. Ratchet straps come in handy for everything. So there's 2 different ones on sale. You got the 400-pound ones that are regular price $12.99, and they're on sale for $5.96. So they're over 50% off. And those are the ones that we generally keep in our truck. Again, they just come in handy strapping down lumber, strapping down propane tanks when you got to go get those filled. You use them more than you think you would if you have them in your truck. Now, the 1,000-pound ones, those come in handy if you're strapping down maybe a small car or a side-by-side, something like that. Regular price on those is $26.99, and they're on sale, a 4 set, for $16.99. Again, they're a little bit beefier than the ones we carry in our truck, but when you need something to strap down really heavy, these are a good way to go. Now, we've used the Harbor Freight ratchet straps. We have quite a few of them. We have not tried the 1,000-pound ones, but the cheap little ones, we have beat the crap out of those, and they've never broken, with the exception of old ones that I left out in the rain for like 6 months, so that doesn't really count. But they hold up really well, they hold everything down you need, and they're pretty secure. So I have no reason to believe that their bigger heavy-duty ones wouldn't be the same way. So get yourself some ratchet straps because you're gonna need them eventually. So for the absolute best 2 deals in the store, this is the best woodworking deal, maybe even the best deal altogether. That is the Bauer corded trim router. So normal price on this thing is $59.99, and to be honest, that's worth it because it's a good router. It's not cordless, but it's a solid router. It's much better than the Bauer cordless, in our opinion, based on using it. But it's on sale for $29.99. That is over half off. And if you're looking to upgrade your router, maybe you have the Drill Master, which is $24.99, so it's only $5 more than the Drill Master. This is a huge upgrade from that one. It's over twice the power, and it just feels better in the hand. A lot of times, even if you don't need to upgrade your router, we have separate routers for each one of our bits, which, by the way, you can find all of our stuff on makeawoodsign.com. Base plates for this, router bits, stencils, templates. Go check it out. We have a different router for each one of our bits. So even if you have all really good routers, but you need one for just say the spiral upcut that you don't use that much, or even the 45-degree chamfer bit, it's worth it. $30 for this thing is a screaming deal. It could be the best one in the store, but I'll let you make the decision based on the next one. A little side bonus, they have hats now. $8 for a nice trucker's hat. I usually spend $30 on my hats, so I think I'm gonna end up getting one of these. Now this could be the best deal in the entire store. The Predator 3500 watt inverter generator. I've had one of these for 5 or 6 years. I can't really remember. We bought it when we bought our camper, and I ran everything off this. We boondocked on a river in Idaho with it. The only thing it couldn't do was run my air conditioner and my microwave at the same time. Other than that, I've had no issues with this. It's regular price $800, and I spent $800 on it when I bought it several years ago. It is on sale for $600. That's $200 off. If you need a generator, if you're gonna go carve on site, if you're working on a piece of property that doesn't have power like we did, I use this. This thing is a solid generator. A lot of people are kind of nervous to spend that much money on something that maybe they haven't used before. But the Honda version of this is like $2,400. Now Honda makes a great product, but this is just as good. It's got push button start, it's got super quiet mode, it's quiet, it has a ton of power, and if you run it once a month and don't let the carburetor get all gunked up, it's gonna last you a long time. A little tip for you, put some Marvel Mystery Oil in the gas and it'll help with longevity. I do it every single time. So, as far as best deal in the whole store, I would have to say $200 off this Predator 3500 watt generator. I think that one takes it. Now for the little bonus tidbit of info that I don't think anybody else knows about. And again, this is rumor, but we got it on good authority that this is true. Coming up soon, all of the Doyle vices will have 100% lifetime warranty. Now, I know a vise isn't something a lot of people do videos about. It's kind of an overlooked tool, but I use mine all the time. I have one on my gun bench to build my different stuff. We use them in the shop. A vise is definitely a good tool to have in your shop because when you need it, you need it. And if you're gonna have one in your shop, you might as well have something with 100% lifetime warranty. These are solid vices. Now, mine is a little bit cheaper. I don't have a nice Doyle like this, but mine also doesn't have lifetime warranty. So if something goes bad on it, this is my next one I'm getting. All right, guys, there are some killer deals. Again, this ends tomorrow, April 14th at the end of the day. So if you're in the market for some tools, get here, get some stuff. We got to hurry up and cut this out because people are waiting in the parking lot to pass by us. So, as always, guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.